All right, next I'm going to make the bars on the right. I'm just getting ahead of myself here. When I mean the bars, I mean just these actual bars that are a little filled up. Now, ultimately, I kind of make it so that I fill up the bars when the circles move. But let's see where I can get for now. So I notice this is like a black bar with a little bit like a yellow part, and like this is like fills up right when it gets over here. So it kind of stays low, and then when this thing reaches this, it'll be a full bar. But what I'm going to do is make these small bars like this, and just have a little filled in thing. So let's look at our code. Oops. So let's do this. I think I'm going to be creating it. Let's create it right here. Last time, so like I know what I like doing. I like annotating on the screen. So, like I did last time, I want the bars look like this. So I'm going to draw, and it's kind of like, oh, it's like the top half of this circle. I think the bar should kind of like go like that, right? And then I'll make these, sure these are consistent. Oh, that's not a good spot. I think I want to go lower. And it's about like that, and about like that. Okay, so I want to make those bars. We'll space them out a little better. I want to make sure this is even spacing, so but that's the idea. All right. And it's going to be like a black. I'm going to do, and if let's plan this out right, a black bar, and then it's kind of like this, like, I'm just make it a black bar. Oh, geez. Oh, that got on the video. That's going to be on the video. Oh, well. I muted Zoom. I'm not going to edit. All right. So I'm going to make it a black bar, and then I'm going to do like a yellow bar in there. All right. Yeah, that's what I'll do. All right. So let's just make the black bars first. So last time I did like this outline thing here. It should, I'm going to make another one right here. Hashtag, this is going to be, what are we going to call this? The bars on the right. Bars the right. The technical term for these, I guess. So all the code for it's going to be between this stuff. End of bars on the right. All right. So what do I do for this? Well, I'm going to need to use another turtle. I'm going to make another turtle because I'm not going to use the panel turtle just in case. Let's call this, honestly, I probably could just use the panel turtle. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. Bars equal turtle. Call it the bars. It's almost like, it's not really the bars. It's like the gauges or whatever. But we're calling them bars. I don't care. All right. So we want to do change the pen color to black. Okay, it's black. I don't really need to. That's the default. So I'm going to go bars.pen up. And I want to move it to this corner right here, the first one. So if I'm guessing that's the middle, oh, we can judge. So this side right here was at 30. So I'm guessing that's going to be like 40. So I want to go to bars dot go to, it's going to be 40 comma, yeah. So up here was 195. I'm going to guess 160. A little bit lower. And let's see what it does. Hey, that's really close. In fact, I want to keep these even numbers, so I'm going to say good enough. We're going to go there. That was a good guess, man. Really good at this. Bars dot pen down. And then I want it to go down. Bars dot go to 40, and we're going to go down a little bit. So let's go down 30. See what that does. Oh, it drew. That's a little too far. So 135. Sure. I'll make it that far. And then we're going to go over. So bars dot go to. Oh, I should have played the song. I didn't even pay attention to Chris. Oh. Go to, let's go over to this side. And I'm going to say since this edge right here was 195, this is probably 185. So, no, it was 165. So I'm going to say 155. 155 and then 135. Keep the same Y value. Let's see what it does. I don't know. What? Oh, bars. Bars. Okay, why not? That looks good. So I think I got the size. So I'm going to go bars dot go to. I'm going to go up. So moving back up. Be 155, 160. And then bars dot go to. Back to where we started. 40, 160. All right. And then as we did last time, we want to fill this up. I want to fill it with a black. So I'm going to go fill color. Go to, I don't even have to. Let's go bars dot fill color black. And then bars dot again fill. And bars dot end fill. There. That should fill that bar up. Close enough. I'm gonna erase that thing. All right. So we did one. Now I want to go down. So I'm gonna do bars dot pen up. And I'm going to do bars dot go to. I want it to move down. So it's going to stay at the same one, X value 40. But then we're going down. It's going to be close to 0. I'm going to guess it's going down to 10. I'm going to go down 150 and see what happens. Oh, way too far. Okay, I'm going to go to 60. Close. 50. I understand. I don't think so. Okay, I'm going to say I like it. Close enough. And now we're going to follow it. So one thing to note here, what were the dimensions of this bar? I want to leave these consistent so they look the same. You're looking at the X value moved. That was 40 to 155. So this distance was 115 pixels. The X distance, the height went to 135 to 160 to 25 pixels. So I want to make sure what I do matches that. All right. So if I'm matching that, oops, I'm going to go bars dot and down. Bars, okay, dot I know, begin fill. I know I'm going to need this anyways, so I'm going to bars.goto. I want to go down. I'm going to go down first. So down 25, we'll make this 15. Oh, no, 40. 35. Oh, no, 25. Moving the Y down 15. And then bars.goto. I'll move the X over 115, so it'll be 155, 25. Bars.goto, it's going to be 155, 50. And then bars.goto, 40, 50. Bars.end fill. Let's make sure that runs. Close enough. This can probably go a little higher. Yeah, I'm not touching it though. Make this a little higher on the circle, but I'm not going to worry about it. All right, next one. So bars dot. Oh, let's do a pen up. Dot pen up. Okay. And the last one. Bars.goto. I want to go down again. How much did I go down last time? I went from 160, 150 down 110. I want to go down 110 again. So this distance here, the distance between this, I want to make, and this distance, I want to make it consistent. Actually, they were right here. And it was 110 pixels. It looks like it went down. So to make that look even, I'm just trying to match that up. So if I was at go to 160 and then 150, it's going to be 40. And subtracting 110 will make it negative 60. Let's make sure that looks right. Yeah, I think these. So. Oh, I'm going down 110, but one note is my circles only went down 100. I should make that consistent. So I'm actually going to make the circles more spread out because I'm lazier. Why not? Do I really want to do that? Yeah, I did. I don't care. Made a choice. All right. So let's do this. Bars.pen down. Bars.begin fill. Bars.goto. I'm going to go down 25 first. So 40, negative 85. Bars go to, got to go over 55, negative 85. Bars dot go to, want to go up 25, negative 60. Bars go to 40, negative 60. Dot end fill. Bars dot pen up, just in case. And what does that look like? Sweet. Looks good to me. So I've done the first part of the bars. Now I want to hide this turtle. Or you know what? So I have to do the second part of this. This is going to be this gauge. I feel like each of these should have their own turtle for yellow, blue, and teal. Let me think. It might want, I'm just thinking long term, if I'm going to have each of these fill up separately, I might want a separate turtle for each of these. So, ugh. Okay. So, what do I want to do? Let's pause and think. So, I don't know if it matters, so I'm not going to make a separate one. So, I'm going to have to do filling up the bar. So, we'll make a little sliver right here. So, we'll go back to each of those. Actually, why not? I can just fill it in as I'm doing this. And so it ends the fill and does a pen up. I want it to do bars.fill color yellow. I don't know if capitals matter. Actually, I want to change the bars.pen color to yellow too. I think I'm going to need to do that because when it draws that and then fills it, bars go to, or there was like an easier, isn't there just an easier way to draw a square? With the circle command, you can. Yeah, there are easier ways, but we haven't learned them. So I'm sticking with what we know. So it's at 140, 160. I want it to go down to 40, 135. And bars go, oh, we should do, and not do a pen up right here. Bars go to, I want it to go over. And I'm going to say over about 10 pixels. Where was that? Let's say 15. Wanted to go up. $160. Oh no. And then bars 41. And then bars dot end fill. And we should have begin fill. And if we do this, we should run it. See what it does. What? Why did it do that? Oh, one, done. Oh, I missed a step somewhere. So here. Oh. Okay, so I kind of want to put this command in again. No. Oh, it should be here. That's why. Right? No, because I messed up. That's why. That's why. And then the colors didn't change, so I want to fill color. Change the pen color back to black too. And then see what it looks like. Maybe that 15 is a little too wide. Yeah, I think 15 is too wide. Okay, that'll be fine. So then I'm going to do this same thing down here. So the idea is I did another begin end fill right after this. It's one of those cases I could probably loop again. And it's 40, 25. I'm going to say 40. No, 40, 50 is where it starts. And then it should go down to 40, 25. Then it should go over to 50, 25. Up to 50. Wait a minute. So over to that. Up to this. Only had 4 steps. Wait, I messed this up. Gotta think better. You're already there. I'm already at 40, 50. This should have been 40, 25. It should have been 50, 25. It'll be 50, 50. And then 40, 50. Yeah, let's see what that does. Cool. I feel like that blue's a little dark. Oh, well. Well, I'm going to leave it. All right, let's do the last one. It's going to be cyan. Cyan. Need one of these again. Pen down. Oh, and then it's at here. 40, 60, and then it goes down to 40, 85, 50, negative 85. Go to 50, negative 60. And then it should go back to 40, negative 60. All right, let's see what it does. All right, did it. Oh, that's not yellow, that's gold. So yes, I should put that gold in. Why not? There we go. Man, that's looking better every time. So there's another video. I made the bars to the right, cross it off my list, on to the next one.